Hi everyone, just a quick little video on originality reports within Google Classroom. So this will work the same as it is within Google Assignments, but for the purpose of this video, I'll stick with the integration of it within Google Classroom. So first things first is to create the assignment that you want to use originality reports with. So jump to your classwork, and you want to create an assignment. And you can attach a document as you normally would for any other assignment from your Google Drive or from your computer, or links and all that stuff. But for this video, I'm just going to say testing originality instructions. All the other settings you can do as you normally would as well. Do that for this one. And under topic, I'm just going to throw this under my language topic, which I've created already. And this is where you want to check for originality or plagiarism. Once you check this box, it's going to prompt you. For each Google Classroom, you can enable originality for 3 assignments. This is going to increase to 5 in the month of September 2020. But for now, during this video, it's limited to 3. So once you say continue, and it's going to save those settings, and I'm going to choose to assign that to my students. So now flipping over to a student perspective in this class, I'm going to go to my classwork. And this is the assignment that I've just created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that up, view the assignment. Oops, I'm just going to make this bigger. Compare text with web. So in the first time the student opens this up, it's going to allow the student to actually run the originality reports before turning it in. So this is a really good learning for the students as well, to understand how originality works, and teaches them how to cite properly as well. So I'm going to, I'm just going to create a new document. And I'm going to jump in there. And what I'll do is I'll just go to wikipedia.com. So I'm just going to jump in here really quickly. So I'm just going to highlight a section of Wikipedia. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to jump back to my assignment. This is my assignment. What I'll do is I'll just paste it without formatting. So now I'm going to close this off, and I'm going to come back to my classroom. So now this is where, from the student's perspective, what they're allowed, or what they have the opportunity to do. So they can run the originality report, and they can run it 3 times per assignment. And once it has been completed, it'll actually prompt you if you want to see the originality report as well. So right here it says view originality report. And this is all real time, no pausing, so it's actually quite quick. And from the student's perspective, they're actually able to see, okay, this is, yes, I copied this. It's been flagged. Where is it from? And it then prompts them to have the opportunity to cite that passage or material that they've copied from the internet. So now if I were to close this off, I'm going to turn this in just as is, even without it, correcting what I've just done. And then flipping back over to the teacher's perspective, I'm going to come back to my assignment. It's been turned in. And I'm going to open that up. And it flags the passage for me as a student, so as a teacher. So I can actually get to see the flagged passage by clicking on the originality report. It's going to say I didn't cite or quote any passages, and where did that comment or material come from? It came from Wikipedia. So a new integration with Google Classroom that provides you alternatives and keeps the originality reporting built right into Google Classroom instead of using something third party. And it does scour the web for all materials that are submitted. So hopefully that helps, and thanks.